to my channel. My name is Kadisha for those of you that are new here. Thank you for joining us. Today I'll be doing a video on a postpartum try-on vacation haul. So all these items are from Shein, and I was inspired to do this haul because us as postpartum moms are really insecure about our bodies and our stomach after giving birth. So I felt like this would be the perfect video to do and just show you guys what I'll be wearing when I go on vacation. So let's just get straight into it. So starting the haul off is this two-piece outfit that I got. This is a top and a pants. It's really stretchy. The material is a little light, so be mindful of that. It has a little side detail here. You can, it's a drawstring. You can pull it to make it higher. You can make it longer, and then you can tie it. It gives that cute little look at the side. This is really good. I love this. You can wear this to a party, to dinner, to brunch, to anything really. It's a versatile outfit, and that's why I really like it. And it's really cute, you know. So this is how it's looking. I think it's really cute. I like it. And the length of it, it comes like right down to my feet, and I'm 170 centimeters. So if you're taller than me, this will be good for you because it is pretty long. Not long to the point that it's dragging, because once you wear shoes or whatever, it'll kind of like elevate it. But it's still like really nice. It's a really nice piece, and I like it. The next outfit is this two-piece set. This is really cute. It's also stretchy. The top is like a little crop top. I wish the top was a little longer, and also the detailing here. I wish that it was not as open as it is, like had more material, because it's like you will have to be really selective of what bra you wear with this. The one I have on right now is not going too well, so I would definitely have to change it and wear a different bra, or maybe pasties or something. But as a mom, a breastfeeding mom, pasties might not work, so I'll have to figure that out. But yeah, so this is it. It's also a pantsuit. It's long past my ankles as well. Material also a little see-through, but not as see-through as the other one. So this is nice. It also has like rib detailing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Has the rib detailing. So this is nice. A nice outfit for brunch. You know, very cute, very classy, very demure, very mindful, very cheerful. Just joking. But yeah, no, this is nice. I like it, but for me, I would probably give it like a 6 out of 10 because of the top. I might end up wearing the pants with a different top because I'm not really feeling the top. As I said, it's too wide in the arm area, causing too much of the breast to show. And the way how it hugs my stomach, I'm not sure if I really like that. But other than that, it's a cute outfit. So the next piece is this beautiful multicolored dress. I just love the pattern in this dress. This is screaming brunch, day vibes. Like this is a dress you would definitely wear in the day. This is also stretchy material, and it's nice and flowy. Wouldn't keep you too hot. I just like how the material is. This dress just caught my eye because of the material, the pattern. So I definitely like this one. And this is how it's looking. So the next piece is this gorgeous long multicolored dress. I find anything with printed patterns kind of take the focus from your stomach and just more on the print. And bear in mind, you can also wear this dress with a belly band, something to cinch the belly. So that's also an option with this dress because it's like fully fitted, no back out, no anything. So this dress is great for that. So I'll show you how it looks. The print is really gorgeous. Again, this is another long dress. Very cute, very classy. You can wear this to brunch. You can wear this during the day as well because the colors are just so bright. You want to wear it during the day. I mean, it could be worn at night as well, but preferably I would prefer to wear it during the day because of the bright colors. You know, it just screaming like vacation, summer, you know, bright colors. I like that. This dress is also stretchy, so that's good. It's like very good, like you can walk. It's roomy. The stretch makes it very bearable to walk and move in it. So it's like a really comfortable dress. So I like this piece as well. So this is another piece. This is a short dress. It has the frill detail at the bottom, frills on the shoulders, and this dress is kind of versatile. It also has the tie that you can tie in the middle, so this helps you to draw it closer or loosen it out some more if you want to, depending on how big your breasts are. So that's good. That's good flexibility. Also, you can wear it on the shoulder. You don't have to wear it on top of the shoulder. You can pull it down to the side, so it gives it a versatile look. Either way, this is a nice dress if you're going to the movies or at night, because the colors are a bit darker. And also you can wear a belly band with this because again it's full flush, so it's great for that, to also cinching the belly some more. But black also tends to make the belly look a bit more smaller, so I like black as well. But obviously when you're on vacation you don't want to do too many blacks. But black also is a kind of color that kind of makes you look smaller than you really are. So that's something to keep in mind. So this is how the dress looks. It's a bit short, but I really like the frill detail at the bottom. And you know, it's just, to me, it's just really cute. This dress came in multiple colors, but because I had so many bright colors, I kind of wanted to tone it down a bit by getting something a bit darker. So that's why I got the black color. So this will look nice with a nice pair of gold sandals, a nice gold bag or something. You know, you just go to the movies or you go out shopping or something. This is nice for that. I love it. So the next piece, we have this really cute yellow dress. It's really flowy, really nice. I don't know if you guys noticed by now, but I kind of like a lot of stuff that you can tie. I don't know, it just looks really cute and playful. So I like that. This is a nice flowy dress. You can wear this to breakfast or anything. It's not too short. It's a good length, you know. So you can probably wear like a tights under this, but it's really nice. This dress is really cool. It won't keep you hot because it's not like snug. It's more flowy, so you know you get the wind blowing. But this is nice. Just something simple for breakfast or just a quick like drive around or something. So this is nice. This is nice to have on vacation as well. Just something simple when you don't want to be more like, when you don't want to be dressed up, you just want to be dressed down. This is something good for that. Just simple and nice. The gathering at the front is not really controlled by the straps, because I know sometimes the strap, the tighter you pull it, the more gathered it is. This is actually just elastic that's here, so you can't control like how gathered it is. So this dress is really nice. It's really casual. I like it. It's just something simple that you can wear anywhere that you don't have to do too much. The next piece is this beautiful long tie-dye dress. This dress is screaming paradise in the sun. The colors, I just love it. The orange, I just like how the colors flow so well together. This dress is really stretchy, it's really roomy, it's good for walking. It is not too tight, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable. You know, just a nice maxi dress. You should always have a maxi dress when you're on vacation. And this is that one. So this is how the dress is looking. I really like it. This next piece is different, but I like it. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I don't know. It's just something about this dress, and the material is super stretchy, super loose. Really love this piece. It's super stretchy. It's really loose. It doesn't sit tight on the stomach, so you don't have to worry about that. It's really loose, you know, really airy. It won't keep you hot. It's this satin material and it has a pleated look. See that? Really nice. I like this material. I like this dress. You can dress this up with some heels. You can wear some sandals, a nice clutch bag. Like, this would look good. This next piece is really gorgeous. I just like the pattern, the downward pattern. The different shades of pink with a hint of green is just really good. And the pants is high-waisted, so it comes high. And then the top is just a crop top, but it meets well together. This is how it's looking. The pants is also really long and stretchy. So this is really nice. I like this one. I give this like a 9 out of 10. Look how it cinches the back. And again, it's printed, so not too much on the stomach. This is really nice. The material is buttery soft and smooth. I like that about this one. So this next piece actually was a two-piece outfit, but I don't like the top. The top is too much. This is the top. The top is really skimpy, not much material. It's supposed to, it's like a bandeau. You wear it like this, and then you tie this around the neck, but then you have the whole stomach area that be out. So that was not, to me, suitable for me as a postpartum mom. I really like the pattern though, so I still went ahead and got it, and I decided that I will wear it with a bodysuit. Not necessarily this one, I just tried it on to show you guys. Could be one, I'll probably wear it with one that is like an armor bodysuit, a white one, and just wear it with some heels or something, or flats, anything like that. But the pants is gorgeous. I like this print, the pink zebra looking print. I like that. That's really nice. So this is the next piece. This is really cute. It has the frills at the bottom. It's kind of like a wrap dress where you tie it, pull around, you tie it on the side, and it's really flowy. You can tie it like this, so you can control how tight you want it around, which is why I like that. And it's not too tight on the stomach as well. You know, you like something flowing, very nice. And it also has the frill at the top, which is really cute. This two-piece set is really vibrant. The colors are really bright. It's the skirt and the bandeau top. As I mentioned, colors, when you get something printed, it kind of take away from the look of the belly, so that's good. I like printed stuff. On vacation, you always want pattern. You always want stuff with a lot of pattern, so this is really nice for that purpose. This has stretch, but not a lot of stretch, so it kind of restricts your movement a bit. But other than that, it's really nice, really playful. I would give this one maybe a 7 out of 10 because of the stretch part of it. It kind of restricting you a bit, but it's still really, really cute. So obviously we need a bathing suit. You can't go on vacation without having a swimsuit. So this is a two-piece swimsuit. This is one whole piece. And then this is the wrap. The wrap is like really, really big. You have lots of material for this wrap. So you can wrap it with the leg out. You can wrap it at the front. You can just do whatever you want to do with this. The wrap, it just gives a lot of material. So you can do whatever you want with this. And again, the colors, the mix of the colors, the orange into the pink. This is really nice. You get some really nice beach photos with this. I really like this set. This is how the back looks. This is really cute. This is another swimsuit that I got. Again, it's a one-piece bodysuit with the one shoulder detail and the wrap. This is also a lot of material. You can have the slit at the side. You can play around with it. You can do lots with it. This is really cute. I like the pattern for this one, the colors, the color mixture. This is really nice as well. So I gave this a 10 out of 10. Prior to pregnancy, I would wear like two-piece bathing suits, but you know, after coming out of postpartum, you want to have something more covered. I find my style and the way that I dress changed after having my baby. So I find that I like a lot of one-piece stuff now. You know, some stuff that is more like closed up and not really revealing. That's what I'm into now. So your style does change sometimes not, but mine did change. And Shein bathing suits are really good quality. There's some really good spandex. So I really like this bathing suit. So that's the end of this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and you like some of the pieces that I show. Let me know down in the comments which is your favorite. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.